So a few weeks ago, I took a trip out to North Carolina to visit the Duke University AMA Club, which was awesome, by the way. Thanks to those guys for flying me out. But there I met the Rotor Riot crew, and we decided to do a collab. So I invited them out here to Washington to come check out Freefly systems and see some of our big expensive cinema drones and hopefully make some awesome videos. So that's what we're doing now. They're about to pull in here real soon. Wow, it's a riot in the lobby. Wow, it's a Rotor Riot. What's up? How's it going? Good to see you guys. You want to check out the warehouse?
Whoa.
Oh man.
Yeah,
this is so sick. Wow.
Driver and thread locker. That's how you put together a drone that doesn't just fall out of the sky randomly.
So we just got to the test field. Rotor Riot just pulled in their sweet van. What's up? And we've got a bunch of Alta X's and a Movi gimbal with a red Epic in it, Movi controller, and a bunch of pumpkins and a high-speed camera. That sounds like ingredients for a good time if you ask me. This is a red Epic with a cinema zoom lens, and it's in a Movi Pro camera gimbal. So we're gonna take this thing up and let the Rotor Riot guys get some time on the Movi controller stick and see how they do at controlling a cinema camera.
For reference, we usually fly 5-inch Freestyle quads that are maybe the size of the batteries here.
These are 33-inch blades, so
oh my goodness.
Slight difference, yeah.
It's not about the size of the propeller, it's about how you use it.
So this is only this whole situation is just to control the camera. You have a whole nother control station for actually piloting it.
Yep,
that's crazy.
All right, well, let's do it.
Zooming out while he was running away was really sick.
When it passed over my head, it was terrifying. And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna die. Does the camera stay relative to the frame of the quad?
Relative to the earth.
Relative, so as you pivot the quad, the camera is just staying right where it's supposed to be.
So
yep, they're completely decoupled.
The camera does not give a fuck. That is amazing. Ah!
So we just flew the Movi Pro gimbal around. That was awesome. Got some great shots with the red camera.
This is the future of freestyle and racing.
Wrong. This is the future of freestyle and racing.
That's bigger than you are.
Drew's about to fly my Alta in acro mode. Don't crash.
1, 2, 3. All right, slow takeoff.
I feel so nervous right now.
Chasing a car. He's like going 5 miles an hour, but I feel like, this is more intense than when I've chased drift cars. It just feels really stable. Like, it's really just knowing what's in the air that creates the intensity.
Yeah.
Like it controls fine. It's very predictable.
You feel like doing a roll, Drew?
I do feel like doing a roll.
That
We're at 48 volts, is that all right?
That's plenty, yeah. Land at 43.
Okay,
full
pretty
stick,
high.
full stick.
Full stick.
Oh my
God. Oh gosh! That was not as bad as I expected. I'm gonna do another one. It's really weird having to hold full stick and see it roll so slowly that I'm like, wait, why is it going so slow? Like more, and I'm just bumping against the end stop. But you know what? Here, I'll just do a nice, big, slow power loop.
Okay.
So I'm just pulling back on the stick.
Oh my God.
Diving.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Get out of it.
Oh. I wasn't even close to the ground. My heart is racing, but I'm just
don't get too comfortable. You're gonna get comfortable and you're
then
gonna do
that's when bad
something.
things
You're gonna put it in the ground.
Nice. Sound is the best part.
The sound of those props is awesome. It's epic. you know what this thing is really made for? Like Daniel said, it's a workhorse. It's not. It's cool to acro it as best you can, but it's made for lifting heavy things.
Right.
And maybe even dropping them.
Dun, dun, dun.
Your pumpkin has an STD.
So now we've got our little servo bomb dropper set up, connected to the bottom of the Alta X. Got a long string of paracord that goes down to our pumpkin here. And then over here, we've got a Kronos high-speed camera pointed at our target out there. That's just a piece of plywood.
How long does the rope need to be for you to be comfortable? Like, would you want the pumpkin just like right up under the belly?
I have found that if you have the pumpkin too close to the drone, it'll get into an oscillation where the pumpkin starts to swing. So we need actually a really long rope.
Well, science here.
Wait, you've done this before?
This is actually like the frequency of the oscillation, right? The length of the rope defines the frequency.
That's correct.
So the shorter the rope, the higher the frequency.
What the?
Wait, that's all you're gonna put it up with?
Yeah.
Is that strong enough?
No, that's totally strong enough.
You just gotta keep it in that
That's
little
a sailor shit
I
right
want-
there.
I want
That's some
another
sailor
one.
shit right
Just-
there.
Okay. Three, two, one, dropping. We missed the target a little bit. That was awesome. I love the sound it makes. Sick. That was awesome.
That was sick.
Holy crap, look at this. The pumpkin smashed the ground.
It really left a crater. That's bananas.
I think we have some north wind. Now we aim for here, but on that side.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Right
I'll
there.
mark it.
Yeah, that's our new target right there. So we'll stabilize it and then hit the throttle. Okay, going up. 3, 2, 1, now. That was freaking amazing! Yeah. Did it get hit?
Oh yeah, I just wiped the guts off.
Was
but
it recording?
It was totally recorded.
Yes, that's awesome.
Yes,
I'm so
right?
excited to see that.
Oh, that's so good!
Now we've got Zoe's little FPV quad here hooked up to the dropper on the Alta X. So we're gonna drop it in the air and see if she can arm and fly away.
She flew away inverted! She flew away inverted!
We just finished flying at the field. It was awesome. Did some sweet stuff. Had a lot of fun. And now we're gonna get some Thai food before we go back to Freefly and build some tiny
We
whoops. What
weren't
are
sure
we
if we wanted to come here for food. You know, it was between pizza and this, and it was practically a tie.
doing?